and not going nowhere. Alright, then said that one you want rare alien looking jellyfish. And me not too going in rare. Me not going in rare. So me not know what am I come with this idiot thing about rare alien jellyfish. First of all, it's an alien. This is a rare sight of a marine creature called the Cherodictis maculuatus. The Cherodictis maculuatus. And it is looked just as complex as its name. The 38-second long video clip that has mesmerized viewers showing the colorful creature casually swimming meters above the ocean floor, seemingly looking for food. This is regarded as only the second sighting in history of the potted box jelly species. Check out the strange creature. That is a beautiful sight, ladies and gentlemen. But if me run up on him, you know what I be doing. Me a leave the water immediately. Cause me no know where him come from. Him did it for a minute. Him did it for a minute. People them say at the second time they ever see him. The Cherodictis maculatus. I first me see something like this too. Like a something come out of, you know, like Shark's Tale and them movie there. Them look a cartoon, I should I say. Yeah, me watch cartoon, me no care what you say. So it's being reported here, the second sighting. Yeah. And as you say, I still have the name up there from last time, just to realize Western. I wish it's just the Western man them did resign still, you know. But as you see, ladies and gentlemen, I don't accomplish it, you know. Sorry about the name down at the bottom there, so, you know. I have one more article that I and I man did want to talk about. And it's about this. I don't know if you have seen this, family and friends, but Oprah's spiritual leader, a man named John of God, seems to have gotten 99 more years. It's a shame. Me don't know what kind of spirit him did a leader too. What are that we'll talk about? That one your top spirit.